starting off by doing my eyebrows, and as usual I'm brushing out the hairs first, and then I'm using the Runaway Beauty eyebrow pomade, and I'm just outlining my eyebrows and filling them in. If you're new to my channel, I make beauty and lifestyle content. If you're interested, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you are not new, then welcome back to another video. I do have an eyebrow routine. If you guys want to check that out, it will be in the description. But I kind of messed up my eyebrows today because I don't know why, but I was just messing them up. But with concealer, I fixed them up. I used the Morphe concealer to clean up my eyebrows and prime my eyelid. I'm using the Nika K Perfection finishing powder to set the concealer. I'm using the Runaway Beauty eyeshadow palette, and it's the Rose palette, I think. And I'm taking the light brown shade as a transition color, and I'm blending it in circular motions. Now I'm taking a light pink shade and blending it under my transition shade. And for some reason I can't talk today, but I'm just trying to get through it. Now I'm taking a dark pink and blending it into my crease, next to the other shade. Now I'm taking this rose gold shade and shimmer shade and placing it on my eyelid, and I didn't cut my crease because I wanted it to be simple. I'm gonna use this eyeliner and do a thin eyeliner. And I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. When I first started wearing makeup, I used to be terrible at putting on mascara, and I used to mess up all the time, but now that I'm practicing, I got better at it. Now I'm using the e.l.f. pour this primer to prime my face. Gonna be using the Maybelline Photo Focus Dewy Foundation and the Covergirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, and right now I'm doing like this little hack that I created. It's like not really mixing concealer and foundation, it's just applying the foundation like in like the areas that like you want to cover up, and then placing the concealer in the like areas that you want to like highlight. It's like what you do after you apply foundation, but you're doing it at the same time basically. I usually blend out the concealer first and then do the foundation, but I don't know why I did it this way. I'm using the translucent Air Spawn face powder to set my entire face. I'm using the Absolute New York contour palette to contour my face, and I don't usually put a lot of contour because I don't want my face to look harsh, so I kind of messed up a little bit, but it's whatever. Now I'm using the LA Colors Rap Rouge blush. The highlighter that I'm using is the highlighter that's in the Absolute New York palette. I'm using the Nika K lips. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video.